Alright, now once we finish our coffee cup screen there, we go to our registration wizard. And again, we'll have to just do a little bit more trusting here. Again, make sure that you are the tenant admin for the Appit, or for this O365 instance. And here we are at our registration wizard. This is actually registering our O365 instance to our instance of Appit. Again, it will ask us for trust there again. And it'll take us right back to our registration wizard. Run through here. And just let this run all the way through. And once that finishes up, we just click finish here. And it'll take us to our site here. This is a great time to go through each of the links that we have up here. So you start with tutorials. Very good to kind of talk about the tutorials that we offer as well as our user guide. It's always good to talk about the community and the Knowledge Center, as well as the support pages where they can actually log tickets. And lastly, talk about Appit status. You can just kind of mention what the accelerators are. They are just kind of get the ball rolling. They're pre-made forms and workflows already for different SharePoint app types. And then down here we have K2 management, which you might want to talk about, but we actually go here and we need to deploy the app out. So we click Manage App Deployments. And we just need to grab the site collection that we'd like to deploy to. So we'll just click here, grab my Appit dev as we did previously create this site collection. We add that there. Doesn't matter, the managed paths you don't need to worry about, and the site templates generally you don't need to worry about. The managed paths is for if you want to jump over a site and deploy to a sub-site without deploying to that upper level site, but I have yet to run into somebody who wants to do that. So you click OK. Again, we just need to provide trust. And so give this just about a couple minutes or so while it deploys out to the site. I go to my actual site collection and I reload the page. You should see that the app is being added. There we go. So what you can do, you can either activate from here, which I'd recommend. You come down here and you click this Manage App Activations. Alternatively, you can just go directly down to the site contents of that the site collection and just click on the Appit app. However, what I'm going to do, I'm going to manage my app activations here. And very similar to like what we did with the app deployment, we just need to provide it with a site collection URL and click activate. And just see it just run through here. Again, we just need to provide trust. And this will just run through, and then we will have an Appit application ready to go on that site collection. Alright, and it goes through the activation here. You see here that it was in fact activated. We just need to wait for it to finish up. And perfect, you can see all of your site collections that this is activated at. You want to see this activated status there. So you just hit close, and then you'll see it here. Now you might run into where you need to onboard somebody who has both a dev and a production instance. Once you have created their production instance, what you'll want to do here is you'll want to run into your registration wizard. You'll want to register the production instance of Appit as well. And then when you're activating the app, you just come in here, and this right here where it says K2 server, you will have a drop down, and it will be either your production or your development instance of Appit. Since I only have one here, though, I don't have the drop down. So there we go. We are all done there. We come back here to now I'm at our site collection, and we'll just make sure the Appit is working. So we'll just create a custom list. And we'll click on that list. You just come in here, and we'll hit the application. It looks like Appit is working here. We'll just double check. Yep, it looks like Appit is working now. You can see here, this is where you can apply the accelerators. You can click deploy here to use one. Otherwise, you can just create a new application. Alright,